Oh, what happened? Hooray! You did it, Stacy! All because you transformed into Spiral Bird for the first time? Buto is finally in the monster cube with Venice, and when the monster cube is full, then the Bird's Kingdom will be saved. Yay! And after that, I'll be able to return to my kingdom. Yep. Weirdo is defeated, and everyone is happy and normal, all because of our hero, Stacy. Hurrah to our hero, Stacy. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Thanks, guys. You know, Stacy, you're a real hero. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Now it's a happy ending. No, you have to have my back up to my backpack. Stacy!